welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we're going to discuss about how to download year-end summaries for taxes in Discover. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to download year-end summaries for taxes, you typically need to access online accounts from your financial institutions, employers, or government tax agencies. So first of all, you need to log in into your account. So once you're in your Discover account, you need to go to the official website and simply log in. You need to then navigate to the tax or document sections. So once you're in the tax or document section, you need to simply look for like statement and tax forms or your in summary or similar options. Once you have done this, choose the appropriate year from the drop-down menu or list, and you can simply download those documents. Tax forms are often available in PDF, CSV or Excel format, and PDF versions are typically for viewing, printing, while CSV and Excel files are for detailed data analysis. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.